guys. So yeah, just checking a bit of the weather going on, the clouds over there. It's not very much of clouds, but then you got this one over here. So it looks like there could be a storm somewhere, so probably won't be too far off. There's a storm near that side, so yeah. Thought I would show you guys what's going on at the moment. I'm DJing right now, so yeah. Might be hard for me at the moment trying to keep track of things, especially with the weather. But I will definitely find out what's going on over there to see if there's any warnings and systems and stuff like that. Then again, I probably can't because I have to be DJing, that'll kick me off. But yeah, that would show you guys what's going on. Well, there isn't no severe storms way the way it all looks, but there's some heavy rain coming by Sigourney and Ottumwa, so that should be hitting here pretty soon. Probably an hour or so, maybe an hour or two. But I don't know if I can see any thunderstorms at the moment. But I do try to keep you guys updated a bit. But I do see anything coming around, so yeah. There is a thunderhead way over there. There must be some storms out over at Illinois, that's what I'm guessing. Because Illinois is not far from here. I mean, I'd say give about a 50-mile drive, I guess. Depending what road you're heading to. About 50 to 60 miles to Illinois over here, so I don't live far off from there, but yeah. But yeah, definitely some darker clouds. I know I've been keeping updates at the end of the month of some storms and the beginning of the month, and well, not the beginning of the month, I mean the end of the month mostly. But yeah, I try to keep you guys updated as I can with storms. That's what it is at the moment. So I apologize. Mostly my blog updates have been storms lately. It's been waning off and on. It's been thundering off and on. It's been having clouds randomly coming through for the past few days. So yeah, there's been quite a bit of storms nearby. Well, there's a thunderhead over at the south. So there's been some storms everywhere. Like I'm just in the middle out of nowhere between these storms. It's like they're just all around at the moment. I mean, you got some in like over at the east, you got some in the north, you got some in the west, then you got some in the south. So yeah, surrounded right now with some of these storms nearby, so yeah. But there's really nothing going on at the moment, so, but give it a few hours or so, then there could be some rain and thunderstorms. Well, I don't know if I hold any thunderstorm. Wait. I think that might be, or maybe a plane. Oh, that is a thunderstorm. That is a thunderstorm right now. Oh yeah, I drive my direction. I'm trying to take a film over here. But yeah, got some storms over here. I was expecting the car to come behind me. But yeah, there was a thunderstorm I definitely seen. I knew I was hearing something. I was like, I got music from my headphones. I thought I heard something, but it ended up being a womble. It's like, well, unless I'm really hearing things, but no. But look at that. Thought I'd show something like that. Clouds. Nothing much there. There's some clouds from my end. But you got a storm from this side. Heading my way. So yeah. I knew I heard some womble. I was trying to go, okay, what's going on? You can see a flash. I don't know if you can see it. I saw a flash. I know, probably not on the camera. I don't know. I apologize. Just more of the storm. I don't got much batteries left. I'm pretty sure I'm going way down low on it. So that's my issue on that part, so I apologize. Which in a couple of days I will be getting new batteries, thank goodness, so that'll be less of a problem. But there's been storms lately, especially on May. I don't know if you guys can hear that thunder. Besides the boards. Come on, at least give me a big flash or something, or lightning. It is heading north from my side, or maybe northeast at least. I'm really not seeing nothing right now. Come on, show me something. These short for the camera. The cold front's definitely moving in. But I do got to end the video. I know I keep saying it, and I don't know, I keep having batteries extra time for it. It's like, okay, strange. There was a flash, but I don't know if you guys actually saw that. I got to end the video so that way the batteries don't run out too quick. Bit donker from my side. I mean, probably not due to the camera, but it is donker. Well, I guess if I lead the camera from that side, that's what it actually looks like. What I'm showing right now. Okay, B, I don't want to be in the freaking ER. Apparently the camera, if I do it that way, it looks brighter. But that's not what it actually looks like. If I do it this way, that's actually what it looks like. Well, what I can tell by the dark side a bit. Like if I go brighter, and it goes darker. What it looks like now from the camera, that's actually how dark it is. Well, in a way, I think close to that, but at least in a way, that's what it shows. But the storm's around that side. But it doesn't look like it's doing very much right now. I'm guessing it's calmed down. Well, I just missed that. I seriously just missed that. There was a lightning right there. I just missed that. I should have kept it on this side, but I didn't. But it's not gonna hit my way. I was trying to show this like the blue sky over there. Well, bit the sun's side over there, but yeah. Guess I should leave it around this side for the moment. I still need to upload May 30th in the morning and the May 30th in the night. Well, I gotta upload once in May 29th. No, May 30th in the night time. May 30th night, or May 39th. There's no date of May. Sorry about that. Yeah, just clouds itself, dark. Also because it's getting dark out, but I see there's some lightning or thunder. But it's still light outside in a way. I mean, but I can tell it's only just dark because due to the fact that it's getting dark outside. But still, it still looks interesting in my my personal opinion. I don't know if I saw some lightning or not. Maybe that wasn't it. I just probably thought I saw something. And the batteries keep going low again. Because I keep trying to find battery replacements to see what actually still works again. And see if I can keep the film going on. But yeah, the storm's over there. Not really doing much, so it's not really much severe storm. It's just me just videoing tape the thunder out there. But I should have waited till the lightning was coming by, but nope. Probably just switch nose side of the batteries. Like, hopefully there's not going to be a storm tomorrow so I can keep videoing this. It's like, at least give me some new batteries still. I'm surprised how much left it is. I fixed to keep switching batteries to see which one's still working and all that. Doesn't really help much. Definitely cooling down right now. Wind's picking up too. The wind's definitely getting bigger. Feels like I feel that cold front coming in big time. That truck's not hitting my way. Nope, it's not. Yeah, it looks like it's barely gonna give me anything. Just thunder here and there. But I can't waste too much batteries still, but every time I keep saying that, I still do that. Even though the batteries are mostly just done, it's like still, I'm surprised if some of the batteries, I'm still switching sides to see what works better. Oh, there's some lightning there, or thunder. But here's a bit of the sky. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay, gonna end the video. Gonna find more batteries, see if I can film more. If not, then I'll see you guys. Okay, found more battery room. Don't know if it's still too late yet. Probably not, but wow. Probably should show the view of what I'm about to show you guys right now. Hopefully to check out that. Look at that beauty. Pretty much more clouds are coming in a bit. See some very odd over there, but if I see any thunderstorm from the other side, I'll let you guys know. But from the sunset, that looks like a beauty from what I'm looking at. Some clouds over there. So we've got puffy clouds up there, hiding up there. But still, that looks beautiful. That's one thing I like doing, is like taking pictures of the clouds and sky and all that. I need to probably take some pictures and then probably take a video. Still. Okay, definitely missed some thunder spots. There were some thunderstorms where I've noticed, probably like around here a bit, but still like how that looks. Actually looks pretty interesting a bit, but gives it more like a darkness in the air and the clouds. There's some lightning. Check out that. Doesn't that look amazing from that side of the angle? Just saying with these clouds. Wow, just look at that. That's one thing to living around this area. You can see the view of the storms and stuff. But the problem is, unless they're gonna grow cornfields on this side, it will suck not seeing storms from that side. I think then they're gonna have a cornfield growing from what I'm seeing from the other side, but I'm hoping they're just gonna grow one of those like peas and stuff around here from that side and the other side I'm seeing. But yeah, it's gonna take me some quiet time to upload some videos. Ain't that a beauty? So in case those out love looking at storms and stuff, well, got some more thunderstorms for you guys. Like, I know there wasn't much on the second video I uploaded of the storm update between, I think it was on the day after the 48-minute episode, a 48-minute video. I know this is probably going to be between 10 to 15, maybe more, who knows. That still is getting a little bit bigger. And I missed that spot. There was some flash around there. Definitely amazing view. Definitely is. Such amazing view. Missed it again. There's a couple of thunderstorms just flashing it more often that way. But when I do it that way, when I point to the direction the storm is, the flashes will just not continue that way. That's what bugs me. Yeah, it's getting brighter from my side though, because you don't see as much as dark as it was before, but it's definitely getting dark outside though. It's just getting a bit time each, I guess. Okay, that doesn't sound right, but a bit of each time, I mean, I guess, but we can tell there's some pink from the pink red line there, and all the way from here. Definitely a beauty sight. And you can tell there's some red spots, brighter spots in that cloud to the side with the sun. The sun's already down, it's just, I know it's just the sky itself showing it. Wind was picking up like not long ago, but it was calming down. Now it's trying to pick up again. Well, it's because the cloud right next to me, or where I'm right inside of, this is pretty much the dark side of it, isn't it? It must be that one cloud I saw the thunderhead that was heading this direction. No, they've been in a different direction, but yes, still. valley's almost out. It's like we're gonna have to switch another side of valleys to see which ones are gonna work better. I'm trying what I can to actually keep watching this. Oh, that definitely looks beautiful. Just look at this side. Anyways, if I don't got much valleys, I'm probably going to close this down, so I will be uploading them before I end up not being online for a while. Hopefully got that on video. Hopefully I do. That was actually pretty good. What little tail? Yeah, but that might not be nothing though. Huh? Yeah, I can tell from that, so I can tell there's some wind outside and then there's some sky over there. That does look like a bit of a tail though. Especially the wind's picking up. Makes me curious. Oh yeah, I just missed that spot. Oh, we got one ball valley. Oh, come on. And missed that one too. Showed some lightning and ended up missing that. It's like, really, what? But there's a bit of a tail from that cloud, so I was keeping an eye on that, trying to see what the heck's going on from that part. Yeah, there you go. Got some wind coming nearby. Hopefully I got that. The clouds is a little more, it's more brighter on this video, it sucks, but it showed some lightning on my side. There's usually some over there, but yeah. But it's definitely getting darker, and I got some really dark side clouds almost near on top of me, so I should basically be inside pretty soon. Most likely I should right now, but yeah. But I will definitely have to wrap this up, so hope you guys enjoy the beauty of the clouds and video and stuff. So, but it definitely is getting dark, so battery's almost nearly one out. So I will definitely see you guys later for the next storm videos or whatever, for another Nativefirewolf vlog. Hey, just good for a thunder in the end. Okay, we won't be going outside tomorrow. It is getting very dark right now, but still, with the radar, showed a huge mass of let's see, the weather, special weather statement. Thunderstorms moving through the eastern Iowa and the northeast Missouri. And at 8:10 p.m., not 10, 8 o'clock and 8 to 10, never mind. The areas of thunderstorms stretched across much of the central Iowa, was moving around 20 miles per hour northeast. Now, gust winds are around 40 miles per hour, and the pea-sized hail are possible. With the strongest storms, expect periods of heavy rain with pounding water. So I'm in the area, like I'm around a huge area, and the storms, the rains are starting about to hit this direction. There are some storms, thunderstorms I hold for a while, so yeah, that's been going on quite a while, for a bit. This thunderstorm is definitely building up near my direction. It looks like it was a week or before, I don't know. Might have to check that a bit. I think from this side, it looked like it was building up from here. It definitely looks like it's building up, especially heading my direction. So there's, who knows what's going to happen then. And there was the glitch. But yeah, that's what I showed to the radar itself, that what's going on between the storms. So I thought I would show that out. So I'll see you guys when next time I ever do a video of the weather.